First time I came here with my son, it felt like family. I can feel the teamwork, the unity amongst faculty. I felt at home. My son, actually, he felt more at home, and that for me gave the okay. He liked it, and so I was like, okay, here it is, and so I like that.
We have a lot of positive things. We have like Fun Friday. It's a thing we implement here, and it's something that the kids look forward to.
So my school is kind of like fun and learning at the same time. I like it here.
In our school, we really try to teach them problem-solving strategies. If something is too hard, we teach them what steps they can do to solve that problem, even with their emotions. How do we get through those hard emotions? We also teach them different ways to learn, different strategies to solve problems as well, because every learner is different. So here at Horizon Science Academy Primary, we really try and focus on giving each student the best way of learning, because one size does not fit all.
Our school culture is that of a very large family. Once students come here, there are students, there are kids. So of course we need to work very closely with the parents, and we do that through multiple avenues. We have parent events every month, so parents can come in and celebrate with their students. We have Student of the Month breakfast, so if a student is celebrating that, their parent can come in, have breakfast with their child, see the child's school.
The favorite things for coming for parent breakfast was like engaging with the teachers, asking questions if you have, like asking how your child's doing, just talking to the teachers, just communication.
And then we also have home visits, which are very informal.
I think home visits allow teachers to see students outside of school and to see their family culture and to build a relationship of trust with their families. And I also think it's important for students to see teachers outside of the classroom as well, to know that we don't just care about them in a classroom, but we care about them anywhere.
My son is biracial, and I was really looking more for diversity. I wanted somewhere where he can feel safe, where he'd be appreciated for his culture.
I measure my success by looking at where my students were at the beginning of the year and then looking back to see where they are at the end of the year. And although they may not all have the same amount of growth, they all have grown. Whether it be in reading or math or just their social experiences, seeing them have that light bulb come on in whatever facet it is has been amazing.
What I know is if they come to Horizon, their kids will have bright future and better education.
From the administrators, the teachers, the students, the parents, everybody is so excited to help students learn, whether it be new exciting ways to learn, regular ways to learn, spirit days are fun. I just think everybody is trying to give the students the best experience they can when they're learning, and I think that's amazing to see.